Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place limit order in TradingView. So in this one, we have 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is to connect broker and open panel. So you must have a brokerage account linked to your TradingView to place live orders. So if not connected, then you can look for the brokerage panel and follow the connection prompts. Now next is to launch the order ticket. So this action will launch the order ticket window where you define all the parameters for your trade. Next is to select limit order. So a limit order lets you specify the exact price that you want to buy at or below or sell at or above the asset. Next step is to input price and size. So the limit price is the price that must be met for your order to be executed. So you can choose a quantity that fits your risk management plan. And lastly is to submit order. So the order will now be visible on your chart, and in the trading panel under the orders, it will remain open until the limit price is reached, or you can cancel at any time. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!